Okay guys, so today we are learning how to write a paragraph. So we've all seen paragraphs before, right? They're in everything you read, you're really familiar with them, but it's hard to know how to write a good paragraph. So what comes to mind when you guys hear the word paragraph? Just shout out anything.
Or
Okay,
sentences.
words, sentences.
Different thoughts.
Thoughts, good, good. Anything else?
Structure?
Structure, good, good. So the idea, essay, good. So basically paragraphs make up an essay, right? Anything you write is a compilation or a combination of paragraphs. And to know how to write a good paragraph is to know how to write a good essay. So it's really important for you guys, and I want you guys to be paying attention today, because if you know how to write a good paragraph, then you can do anything with written work, right? So writing love letters, writing things when you're an adult and you have to write a proposal for something. It's really good to know how to organize your thoughts into a paragraph. Okay, so can I get 2 volunteers? Perfect. So the rest of the class, you guys are going to listen to them. So stand up here, guys. So the rest of the class, you guys are going to listen to these 2 paragraphs and tell me which one you think sounds better. Which one do you think is the better paragraph? So we'll first have Milton read his.
Okay. The best movie ever is Titanic. It came out in 1997. It's my favorite movie. The acting was outstanding. I love ships and movies set in the past. I've heard Titanic made a lot of money. It has a love story and action.
Good job. Okay, thanks, Milton. Madeline?
The best American film ever produced is Titanic. Released in 1997, no movie before or after has been able to top it. Titanic is the second highest grossing film of all time and won 11 Academy Awards. Titanic will certainly go down in history.
Awesome. Okay, so Trinity, can you tell me which you thought sounded like the better paragraph?
Madeline's.
Really? Okay, so why do you think that is?
Because it gave facts.
Okay, good. It gave facts. Do you guys have an idea of which one you thought sounded better?
It had more varied sentence structure that made it more interesting to listen to.
Okay, it was more interesting to listen to, more facts. Anything else?
Yeah, it was interesting.
Okay, good, good. So you guys can sit back down. Thank you so much. All right, so when we're looking at a paragraph, it needs 3 things. Okay, that's all. To write a good paragraph, you just need 3 things. It's like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Now, what do you need to make a good peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
Peanut butter, jelly,
and bread.
bread.
Good, good. So, what's the bread? The bread is the introduction and the concluding sentence, all right? So, you need something to hold the paragraph together. You have to start it and end it with something so that all the sentences aren't just floating around, right? Okay, so here we see in the red, we had an introduction and a concluding sentence in the paragraph that Madeline read. And the last sentence summed up everything, right? So the first paragraph didn't have anything to sum it up. The first sentence is a topic sentence. So the topic sentence gives what the whole paragraph is going to be about, okay? Second thing, you need peanut butter. You need something to hold all the sentences together, right? That's called cohesion. Anyone know that word, cohesion?
Mm-hmm.
What does it mean?
Togetherness.
Yeah, the whole thing together.
Good. Good. So because the second one had cohesion, it had transitions, and it all flowed together. Each sentence made sense that it was next to the other one, right? Okay, the third thing, jelly, which is the pizzazz. It's like the extra cherry on top. Sweetness for the paragraph. That's the details, your sentence structure. So this one we see in the green, you had 3 main details. So paragraph, introduction sentence, 3 main details, concluding sentence. Peanut butter, you've got your transitions, okay? So that's all you need to write a good paragraph. Now, we need to know how to organize our thoughts, right? So you have an idea and you want to make it into a paragraph. What do?
I would start with the topic sentence.
Good, good. So let's do this one as an example. I'm going to show you guys something you can use for the rest of your life, which is called the 4-box format, okay? So we can do Jay-Z and Kanye. Who do you guys think is the better rapper?
Jay-Z.
Mm-hmm.
Jay-Z, okay, so Jay-Z, better rapper than Kanye. Why do you think that is?
Because he's not a fool.
Okay, so not a fool. Why else?
He has Beyonce.
Beyonce.
She upgraded.
That's true.
Milton, do you have one?
I just like his lyricism better.
Okay, lyrics. Great. So you see here, you've got 1, 2, 3 details. Here's your topic sentence. You've got 3 details, and what goes here? Concluding sentence. So it's going to be very similar. Because of 1, 2, and 3, Jay-Z better than Kanye. Okay. Great. So this is called a mind map. So I hope you guys are taking notes. Mind map. So when you draw out your mind map, you have your introduction sentence, your 3 supporting details, and your concluding sentence. So you have an idea, you're like, okay, so I really like Jay-Z. You're gonna put that in the middle. You think of 3 reasons why, and then you conclude it with a last sentence that wraps everything up and shows what you've learned, okay? So that's what you need to write a paragraph. So tonight for homework, I want you guys to think of your own topic sentences. And so now in class, you're going to work out a mind map, and then tonight you're going to work it into a paragraph. Okay? Okay, awesome. Thank you guys so much.